Hello class 4. Good morning to all and how are you? So students, today we will start a new chapter, that is article, chapter number 8. If you have books, then open page number 38, because now we are going to start reading. So on your screen you can see here it is written vowels and consonants. The real sound of vowels is not vowels, it's vowels. English alphabet can be divided into vowels and consonants out of total 26 letters. That means we all know how many letters, how many alphabets are there in English alphabet. 26 letters. And out of these 26 letters, there are 5 vowels and 21 consonants. So what are the vowels here? A, E, I, O, U. A, E, I, O, U. 5 vowels and rest of the letters are consonants. And here you can see the title is articles, and in English articles is divided into 2 kinds. First one is definite and second is indefinite. Okay. So let me tell you what are definite and what are indefinite articles. So articles are of 2 types. First one is definite and second is indefinite. So what are indefinite articles? The indefinite articles are 2 in number. That means a and an. A and an. ये क्या है? Indefinite articles हैं. So here you can see first one is use of a. A is indefinite article. Look at the following. So you can see there are so many pictures are given in your book on page number 38. The first one is a book, second is a picture of a ring, and third is a picture of a temple, then a fort, and the last one is a lion. So we can say first picture is a picture of a book, second a picture of a ring, third a temple, fourth a fort, and the fifth one is a lion. The words ring, book, temple, fort, lion. These words begin with a consonant sound. Okay, so here book, B-O-O-K, book. It starts with the consonant sound B, book. Ring, R, ring. R, ring. That means consonant sound. And also temple, temple. Fort, F, fort. Lion, L, lion, lion. So you can see when we read these pictures name, all the name begins with a consonant sound. That means B, R, T, F, L. So they create the consonant sounds. That's why we use here A. So it is very clear to all of you. Whenever a word starts with a consonant sound, on that place we will use our indefinite article A. So what is the use of A? जितने भी words हैं, अगर वो consonant से start हो रहे हैं, in that case we will use A. Now read the following. On page number 39 you can see, read the following. Very interesting example is given here. Read the following. A uniform. First one is a uniform. Second, a European. First one is a uniform. Second is a European. Both the words that start with vowel letter. So here you can see these two words start with U and E, and we already knew that U and E are vowels. But here the important thing is that they create consonant sound of U. When we are reading this and this one, they both create a consonant sound. जब भी हम यूनिफॉर्म पढ़ेंगे या यूरोपियन बोलेंगे तो ये दोनों जो वर्ड्स हैं वो कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड यू से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. ओके, जब हम लोग इसको प्रोनाउंस करते हैं तो ये कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं. बट अगर हम इसे लिखते हैं दे आर स्टार्ट्स विद वॉवेल. जब भी किसी वर्ड के बोलने पर कॉन्सोनेंट साउंड आता है उस केस में भी हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे? ए यूज करेंगे. अ यूनिफॉर्म, अ यूरोपियन. So I hope the concept of use of A is clear to all of you. What is the use of A? Whenever a word starts with a consonant sound, in that case we will use indefinite article A. Now use of an. What is the use of an? Look at the pictures once again. So first picture is a picture of an apple, umbrella, egg, ink pot and orange. So these are the pictures, and you can see here the words apple, umbrella, egg, ink pot and orange. These words starts with a vowel. Okay, and they create a vowel sound. We use an before them. In Hindi we can also say जो भी वर्ड्स वॉवल से स्टार्ट हो रहे हैं और जब हम उसे रीड करते हैं तो वॉवल का ही साउंड आ रहा है, उस केस में हम लोग एन यूज करेंगे. हम सभी जानते हैं कि वॉवल्स जो हैं वो 5 तरीके के होते हैं. 5 वॉवल्स होते हैं हमारे, ए ई आई ओ यू. वेरी interesting example is also given about the use of an. In the box you can see. Now read the following. So here you can see, read the following. They are saying that both the words start with consonant sound but they are read with a vowel sound. So here you can see honest and hour. Honest and hour. These two words starts with a consonant एच. एच दोनों जो वर्ड्स हैं उसके जो एच है वो कॉन्सोनेंट तो है, बट जब हम इसे रीड करेंगे तो साउंड किसका आएगा? फर्स्ट वन ओ, ऑनेस्ट. ऑनेस्ट तो ओ क्या है हमारा? वॉवेल है. आवर, और क्या है हमारा, वॉवेल है। तो जहां पर भी वॉवेल साउंड आता है वहां पर हम लोग क्या यूज करेंगे, एन यूज करेंगे। सो दैट्स व्हाई हियर यू कैन सी इट इज रिटन एन ऑनेस्ट मैन एन owl late. Now it's time to do some exercise. So this is your homework. You can also take a screenshot of this exercise. You have to put, or you have to write a or an before the given words. That's it about today's class. In the next class we will continue with the next type of article, that is definite article. So till then, take care of yourself and do this exercise. Have a nice day.